What are microorganisms? Microorganisms or microbes are living organisms so incredibly small that we cannot see them without a microscope. Some are unicellular, one cell like amoeba and bacteria. Some are multicellular, many cells like some types of fungi and algae. They are everywhere. They are in the water, soil, air and even inside our bodies. Let's prove they are around us. We will check both water and soil. Soil suspension. Take a beaker and collect some moist soil in it from the nearby field or garden. Do not touch the soil with your bare hands. Use a spoon or gloves. Pour some water into the beaker and stir it with a glass rod. The liquid, which may look dirty, has very fine particles of soil and is called the soil suspension. Keep it aside for some time and let the mixture settle. Use a dropper and take a drop of water from the top layer. Place a drop on a microscope slide. Cover it gently with a cover slip and observe it under the microscope. You will observe small moving organisms similar to those you saw in activity. The tiny creatures that cannot be seen with the naked eye are called microorganisms or
The school comes home.